To define it simply, energy is the ability to do work, and work is said to be done whenever there is a motion on application of force. Anything or anybody capable of doing work has got energy. Of the living and the lifeless, the cosmic and the earthly, there is nothing in the universe untouched by an incessant play of energy. It exists and manifests in many exciting and of a playful child. At the same time, it could be as useful as what the rotation of metal blades of a juicer do to the fruits. The heavier the body, or the faster its motion, the greater the kinetic energy. When a small stone is thrown into the pond, the energy stirred by it on the water surface is of a small amount. When the boy, who is much heavier, jumps in, almost with the same speed, a far greater amount of energy is generated. The formula for kinetic energy, Ke, is Ke equals half mv square, where m equals mass and v equals velocity. of energy, and they often coexist in nature. Heat is obtained when things burn, and natural fuels such as coal and charcoal are used to produce heat for industrial purposes. Upon heating, metals can be shaped into useful tools for various purposes. The pre-treated iron pieces are heated to red-hot temperature. They are then hammered with electric power hammers, which are controlled mechanically. The kinetic energy of the hammer and the heat supplied together convert metal pieces into various types of implements. The work done by heat is to give some extra kinetic energy to the molecules of the metal piece, enabling them to reorient easily and assume new shapes. Light energy is doing a great job in sustaining life on Earth. It is this form of energy that facilitates photosynthesis in plants, producing food for the whole living world. The sun is the largest single source of light and heat for us. We use the word solar energy to refer to the benevolence of the sun. Sound, which is a form of kinetic energy, is a wave of vibrations in air or any other substance. Sound energy serves the purpose of communication. Sound waves human labor in domestic and industrial sectors. In this electrical saw used in timber yards, electrical energy is first converted into the kinetic energy of the wheel, which drives the blade of the saw. Mechanical energy is kinetic. Certain substances. Though energy can neither be created nor destroyed, there is a loss of energy in almost every process in the world. This means a certain amount of energy becomes unavailable for doing any work. This loss is termed as the dissipation of energy. When machines work, there is an inevitable dissipation of energy in the form of heat, sound, and sometimes light. Because every process in the universe involves a transformation of energy, and energy dissipation is a reality, there is a fear that after millions of years, a time may come when all the available energy becomes non usable. That could bring all motions to a grinding halt and signal the end of the universe. But we can take solace in the calculation that the sun will burn for another 10 to 30 billion years, giving plentiful energy for the sustenance of life